Hi everyone, today we're going to learn an important topic, that is theory of failures, right? So theory of failures means the failure of column which is occurring at a point. So that point we need to find here. Okay, so from that point the failure will start on going. Okay, so you can see here there is an object, a body. Okay, if a load is acting, its stress is directly proportional to strain within the elastic limit, right? So within the elastic limit, stress is directly proportional to strain. So in the theory of failures அப்படிங்கிறது என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு certain பாயிண்ட்டுக்கு மேலே நிறைய ஃபெயிலியர்ஸ் அக்கர் ஆகிட்டே போகுது. ஸோ அதுதான் வந்து தியரி ஆஃப் ஃபெயிலியர்ஸ். ஸோ அந்த பாயிண்ட் என்ன எப்படி அப்படிங்கிறத வந்து இது சொல்லிடும். ஒரு பாடி இருக்குங்க, அதில் வந்து ஃபோர்ஸ் ஆக்ட் ஆகுது, ஆக்சியல் ஃபோர்ஸ். அந்த பாடியில் இருக்க ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் வந்து டைரக்ட்லி ப்ரொபோர்ஷனல் டு ஸ்ட்ரெயின். எப்போ? வித்தின் அன் எலாஸ்டிக் லிமிட். இது நம்ம தியரியில் பார்த்துருக்கோம். And in the same time the load will be removed. If the load is removed means that body will come back to its position. It's a main thing. That is the meaning for its the body is stable condition. Okay, so this is what they are saying. The load is removed means it will come back to its position, that is original position. அந்த மேலே இருக்க லோடை நம்ம ரிமூவ் பண்ணோடனே இந்த பாடி இப்போ லோடு ஆக்ட் ஆகுது, இந்த பாடி இப்படி பெண்ட் ஆகுதுன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். இந்த ரோடை நம்ம ரிமூவ் பண்ணோடனே அந்த பாடி வந்து இதோட ஒரிஜினல் பொசிஷன், ஸ்ட்ரைட் பொசிஷனுக்கு வந்துடணும். Okay, so this will happen within the elastic limit. So after that limit there will be a failure will start on. Okay, so the first thing here is permanent deformation occurs when load is beyond the limit. You can see here permanent deformation occurs only the load is beyond the limit. ஒரு குறிப்பிட்ட லிமிட்டுக்கு மேலே அந்த லோடை நம்ம கொடுக்க deformation permanent ஆயிடுது. அந்த permanent deformation is nothing but the failure here. Okay, so according to this energy, okay, so according to this theory, the failure occurs when a certain limiting value is reached. ஸோ ஃபெயிலியர் எப்பப்பெல்லாம் நடக்குது அப்படி பார்த்திங்கன்னா ஒரு சர்டைன் வேல்யூ வந்து அது ரீச் ஆனோடனே, எந்த பாடியாக இருந்தாலும் ஒரு சர்டைன் வேல்யூ ரீச் ஆகுறப்ப அது ஃபெயிலியர் ஆகுதுன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ என்னென்ன வேல்யூஸாக இருக்கும், அது என்னென்ன பிளேஸஸாக இருக்குது அப்படின்னா மேக்ஸிமம் பிரின்சிபல் ஸ்ட்ரெஸ், தென் மேக்ஸிமம் பிரின்சிபல் ஸ்ட்ரெயின், நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் மேக்ஸிமம் ஷியர் ஸ்ட்ரெஸ், தென் ஸ்ட்ரெயின் எனர்ஜி, தென் மேக்ஸிமம் shear strain energy. ஸோ இந்த 5 பொசிஷனில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபெயிலியர்ஸ் வந்து இதுக்கு மேலே தான் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது. அது மேக்ஸிமம் பொசிஷன் அட்டன் பண்ண உடனே ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது. ஸோ ஃபெயிலியர் வில் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆன் அட் அ பாயிண்ட் வேர் த மேக்ஸிமம் stress, strain, energies are reached. Okay, so sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3, these are nothing but the principal stresses, whereas sigma star means it is either compression or tension within the elastic limit. So this is within the elastic limit. This is generally a principal stresses. Okay, the first theory, maximum principal stress theory. Okay, this is a failure of material occurs when maximum principal tensile stress. Okay, the failure will occur when the maximum principal tensile stress reaches the value of maximum stress at simple tension. Okay, so tensile stress, the maximum tensile stress will reach the maximum stress at simple tension. Simple tension அப்போ இந்த stress, tensile stress will reach the maximum stress. இந்த maximum stress வந்து tensile stress-ஆக இருக்குது, maximum principal tensile stress வந்து இங்கே ரீச் ஆகிடுச்சு அப்படின்னாவே failure will start. Okay, so the maximum principal compressive stress, and another thing is here, so we can easily say that maximum principal compressive stress or minimum principal stress. Okay, so this one also reaches its maximum stress at the simple compression. So simple tension or simple compression, the principal stresses will reach its maximum value as the maximum stress. Okay, so in the principal stresses எல்லாமே வந்து இதோடைய maximum stress value reach பண்ணிடுச்சுன்னா that body will tend to failure. Okay, these maximum stress attain is at an elastic limit. So this will happen at an elastic limit. Okay, so sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3 principal stresses, whereas sigma 1 and 2 will be tension and sigma 3 will be compression in 3 directions, 3D, 3 perpendicular directions. Okay, so here sigma 1 is always greater than sigma 2. So we can easily compare it as sigma 1 is the greatest one and sigma 3 is the greatest one in compression. This one is in tension. So இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா sigma 1 will be greater than sigma 2ங்க. So அதனால sigma 1 is the greater one in the tension and sigma 3 is the greater one in compression. Sigma star T, sigma T star, which is nothing but tensile stress at the elastic limit. The same here, compressive stress at the elastic limit in simple tension and compression. Okay, so we have to compare it, these two things. Sigma 1, 2, 3. Okay, so sigma 1, 2, 3 will be compared to the sigma T star or sigma C star. Then only we can easily identify the failure of the body. Okay, so the failure occurs when sigma 1 is greater than or equal to sigma T. As I told you, sigma 1 is the maximum principal stress. This one will reach the If this one will reaches the sigma T, which is nothing but the maximum stress. This is maximum principal tensile stress. This is maximum stress at the simple tension. Okay, so the sigma 1 will reaches the sigma T or it is greater than it means the failure will start. Likewise, sigma 3 will be greater than or equal to sigma C star means it is at a simple compression means the failure will start on. So these are the two conditions for the first theory, maximum principal stress theory. Yes, here this theory, which is nothing but it is already based on the Ranking's theory. That is maximum principal stress is not greater than permissible stress. கொடுக்க வேண்டிய அதாவது பெர்மிட் பண்ணியிருக்க ஸ்ட்ரெஸ்ஸை விட மேக்ஸிமம் ஸ்ட்ரெஸ்ஸு கிரேட்டராக இருக்கக்கூடாது. அப்படி இருந்ததுன்னா அது வந்து ஃபெயிலியர் ஆகிடும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ரேங்கிங்ஸ் தியரி சொல்லியிருக்காங்க ஆல்ரெடி. ஸோ ரேங்கிங்ஸ் தியரி ஆல்ரெடி டோல்ட் தட் permissible stress should be less than maximum principal stress. Then only failure will not occur here. Okay. So here sigma T, which is nothing but sigma T star, that is sigma T star, tensile stress at the elastic limit. Okay, so tensile stress at the elastic limit by factor of safety. So you will directly get the tension stress at tension, sigma T. Okay, so here this one is nothing but the permissible stress. So this is the allowed stress here. Okay, so next theory, maximum principal strain theory. Before we have seen stress, here it is strain theory. Okay, so this maximum principal strain theory based on the Saint Venant. Okay, so this is the author. So according to this theory, the failure occurs when the maximum principal strain. So here you need to note it down as the strain. Strain reaches the maximum strain due to the yielding stress. So maximum principal strain will reaches the strain which is mainly due to the yield stress in simple tension. Yes. So the maximum compressive strain means minimum principal strain. Okay, you can also say as maximum compressive or minimum principal strain. Okay, so this also reaches the strain which is mainly due to the yield stress in the simple compression. Okay, there is a two main points. in before that we have seen stress reaches the stress. Here strain reaches the strain, which is mainly due to the yield stress. Yield stress is nothing but the maximum stress at the elastic limit. Okay, so this maximum stress at the elastic limit will produce a strain here. So this strain, if this principal strain reaches the strain, this is a permissible strain, reaches the strain means the failure will start on. Okay, so sigma 1 and sigma 3 here. We know that sigma 1 is the greater in the tension and sigma 3 is the greater one in the compression, right? So we know that strain means what is the formula? E1 means you have to put sigma 1 by E is positive and then minus mu will be multiplied to the other things, right? So I can easily say E1 அப்படினா sigma 1க்கு மட்டும் பாசிட்டிவ் போடணுங்க, மற்றதுக்கு எல்லாமே மைனஸ் மியூவால் இன்டூ பண்ணிக்கணும். ஓகேங்களா? So we can easily get E1 and E2, E3. Okay, so here we only need sigma 1 and sigma 3. So E1 and E3. Okay, next one, strain due to yield stress. Okay, so strain which is mainly due to the yield stress, which is nothing but 1 by E into yield stress in tension, which is nothing but sigma T star. Same here, 1 by E into yield stress in compression, so sigma C star. Just equate these two equations here and then here. Okay, if you equate so, like it will be E1 will be greater than or equal to sigma T star by E, right? Here modulus will be applied because this is in compression, so it will be in negative form, so you need to apply the modulus. Okay, just substitute the values. Here I have removed this E, so 1 by E will be here and here, so just cancel it and then you will get this formula, sigma 1 minus mu into sigma 2 plus sigma 3, which is greater than sigma T the whole sigma T star. This is the compressive stress at the within the limit. Okay, so this is within the limit. So this strain, principal strain is reaches this value means the failure will start. Okay, the same applies here. Sigma T will be nothing but sigma T star by FOS, factor of safety. Again sigma C will be equal to sigma C star by FOS. Okay, so these are the principal stresses. And third theory, maximum shear stress theory. This is due to the Guest and Tresca. Okay, Guest and Tresca, so it is also called the Guest theory. According to this theory, the failure occurs when the maximum shear stress, here shear stress, in before two things, stress, strain. Okay, so முன்னாடி நம்ம பார்த்தது எல்லாமே stress reaches the stress value, strain reaches the strain value. Here shear stress reaches the maximum shear stress value. Okay, so maximum shear stress will reach us the value of maximum shear stress in simple tension. Okay, so here you can see here maximum shear stress in material will be nothing but maximum and minimum stresses by 2. That is, sigma 1 is the maximum stress, sigma 3 is the minimum principal stress. So sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by 2. So difference between the maximum and minimum principal stress by 2. This one is here. Okay, so we need to find this one, which is nothing but maximum shear stress in simple tension means sigma T star by 2. That's it. So here what's the value? Sigma T star by 2. Just equate these two things, you will easily get sigma 1 by sigma 1 minus sigma 3, which is greater than or equal to sigma T star. Yes, this one is within the elastic limit, the tension stress within the elastic limit. So if you do so, you can easily get the value like sigma 1 minus sigma 3 is greater than or equal to sigma T the whole star. Sigma T star means the failure will start in that body. Okay, so normally sigma T, which is nothing but the permissible stress, which is equal to sigma T star by FOS, factor of safety. Okay, and then the fourth theorem, maximum strain energy theory. Yes, maximum strain energy theory. Haig theory. Haigh, Haig's theory. Okay. According to this theory, which is nothing but the strain energy. So here we're going to see about the strain energy. According to this theory, the failure occurs when total strain energy per unit volume in material will reach us the strain energy value per unit volume at elastic limit. Just நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா இந்த சைடு எல்லாமே வந்து மெட்டீரியலுக்குரியது, இந்த சைடு எல்லாமே வந்து எலாஸ்டிக் லிமிட். தட்ஸ் இட். இந்த சைடு வந்து இப்போ ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் அப்படின்னா அங்கே மேக்ஸிமம் பிரின்சிபல் ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் ரிச்சஸ் த ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் வேல்யூ இன் த எலாஸ்டிக் லிமிட். தட்ஸ் இட். அதே தான் ஸ்ட்ரெயினுக்கும். ஸோ எலாஸ்டிக் லிமிட் இஸ் த மெயின் திங் ஹியர். Okay, so strain energy, which is nothing but the work done by the load in straining. So the body is strained due to the load, there will be a work done, right? So that work done which is equal to the strain energy, so which is nothing but U, which is equal to half of P into del L. Okay, so U will be equal to half of P into del L. Del L is increase in length. Okay, so after deformation there will be increase in length, right? Okay, like not after deformation, as the load is acting means the body will change in dimension, so that the change is nothing but the increase in length. So here what is P? P is nothing but stress which is equal to load by area, right? So from this thing we can easily get PP, which is equal to stress into area. Likewise here change in length will be, change in length by original length will be equal to the strain. So just substitute these values here and you can easily say stress into area and L into E. Here stress and E, this is stress and this is strain, right? So AL will be nothing but the volume. So U, which is equal to half of stress into strain into volume here. Okay, so strain energy per unit volume will be equal to half of stress and strain because it is unit volume. The volume is 1 here. So the answer will be half of stress into strain. Okay. Okay, so what's the formula actually? E1, E2, E3, these are the strains. We know the formulas. Sigma 1 by E minus mu into other two things we need to multiply minus mu, right? So just substitute it in this U means you will easily get the value as half of sigma 1 into E1 plus half of sigma 2 into E2 likewise. Just take it out and if you simplify it, it will come like this. Okay, so this is the first part. In the second part, within the elastic limit means there will occur star, right? So half of sigma T star into ET star. Okay, so ET star which is nothing but sigma T star by E, right? ET star will be equal to sigma T because Young's modulus which is nothing but, in this Young's modulus we have seen stress is directly proportional to strain, right? So stress by strain will be equal to E. So stress by strain will be equal to E, right? So from this thing we can easily get this E. Stress E will be equal to sigma by E, right? So E will be equal to stress by strain, right? So E will be equal to stress by strain. So from this thing we can easily get this E. E will be equal to stress by E, means capital Young's modulus. Okay, so we can easily get this value and this is a simplified form. Just equate these two things and you will easily get this one. Sigma 1 square plus sigma 2 square plus sigma 3 square minus 2 mu into this form, which is greater than or equal to sigma T star by the whole square. Okay, so this one will reach us this value means the failure will start on. This is sigma T here is nothing but permissible stress, which is nothing but sigma T star by FOS. If it is 2D means just include sigma 3 as 0. Okay, and the last one, fifth theorem, that is maximum shear strain energy theory. This is found by the Mises and Henke. Okay, Henke and Mises theory. Okay, this is also called the energy of distortion theory. So according to this theory, failure occurs when total shear strain energy per unit volume in material, okay, in material will reaches the value which is equal to shear strain energy per unit volume in the elastic limit. Okay, so total shear strain energy per unit volume will be equal to, which is these are mainly due to these stresses, sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3. So we can easily get the formula as 1 by 12c into sigma 1 minus sigma 2 the whole square plus sigma 2 minus sigma 3 the whole square plus sigma 3 minus sigma 1 the whole square. So this is the formula for the shear strain energy. Whereas in simple tension it is in uniaxial direction, that is sigma t star only come, right? So sigma 1 will come. Sigma 1 is in two places. So sigma 1 பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இங்கே ரெண்டு பிளேசஸில் இருக்குது, அதனால தான் நான் இங்கே into 2 போட்டிருக்கேன். Same formula, 1 by 12c into sigma 1 is in two places, so just multiply by 2 and sigma t star the whole square. This is the formula. So just equate these two things and you will get it as, for the 3D it will be like this, greater than or equal to. If it is for 2D means it will be like this. This one is also greater than or equal to, where sigma t is nothing but sigma t star by FOS. So up to this, failure of theory in the columns is completed. Okay, this is an important theory. Do study it deeply. Okay, so just remember all the things one by one. For the sure, the question will come in this chapter. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this, and do keep watching all the videos. Thank you so much. Bye.